Ugh. What the? Oh my cat. Hi, Grandma. I think I killed Grandma. Grandma? Grandma? How's it standing? Yeah, I'm gonna call your carpet. Look at this dead. Dang, Grandma dead. She's actually knocked out. Grandma? Oh. What's up, guys? It's me. Oh, dang. Hey, Grandma, I was joking. I'm just trying to feed your fish. Alright? See? I'm feeding the fish. Well, like I was saying before, Grandma interrupted me. This game is called I Am. Wait, whatever. What's up, guys? It's me, King Axe, and I finally got the Meta Quest 3, as you can see. And yeah, this game is called I Am Cat. This game was actually requested by one of my viewers. Give me that. Give me that. Okay. Yeah, this game was actually requested by one of my viewers. And yeah, today I'm just going to be showing you everything about this game. Okay. What's the password again? Let me check. Get out. Oh dang. You can just pick the pot. Oh never mind, Grandma got mad. Grandma got mad. Oh yeah. Oh, you stink, Grandma. No, no. How you mad? You know, come over, Grandma. Come over. Knocked out. I was video taken down for that. 0426. Okay, I'm guessing that's the code for it. Grandma mad. Oh dang. You see that woman? That's a crazy lady. Yeah, right? Okay. 0426. Pretty sure that was it. 0426. Yay! Huh? What the? No. Grandma, what? Ooh, coin. I'm taking your coin, Grandma. Okay. You want to ignore me not giving any pets? No! Take your stingy coin with you. Filthy animal. Oh crap. Grandma, I'll show you. Kitty powers. Kitty powers. Can't come down upstairs. Wait, then how'd you put all this stuff up here in the first place? I'm gonna hand out. Okay, good. Now, as you can see, so once you get the game, there's gonna be missions and stuff. But it's still in its early access. But yeah, whenever you get the game, you're gonna have to do like missions and stuff. Like it's like regular cat stuff. And the game's honestly really fun. Like I said, it's still in its early access, so there'll probably be more updates on the full release. And honestly, I'm mad about the blind sorcery thing, but it's alright. Like that takes that takes a lot of work. It's completely alright. That didn't. There we go. Okay, let's see what you have here, Grandma. Prawn. Damn it. 0426. Whatever. You stink. I'm taking your monitor with me. Come on, monitor. Oh man. You know, I'm taking a keyboard with me then. And your mouse. And your picture. Headshot. Okay, I'm gonna be mad at me. Oh, get out of here. No, I'm stuck. Grandma up yet? Did Grandma really forget it? Are you forgetting about me, Grandma? What you get, Grandma? Ow! Dang it, ow! Haha. Bang! Headshot. Get out of here. I am speed. Alright. Oh no, I gotta save the poor fishy. Don't shit, I'll save you. Yeah, you're free now, fishy. Dude, I'm a superhero. I'm a starman. I should be saving all the fishies. As for you, Grandma, you don't give me any treats. No! No, I'm sorry. No. Grandma, I was joking, Grandma. You know what? Panties. No, I was joking, Grandma. No! Oh, Grandma. Grandma, up now. You know, I'm gonna scratch into her. Haha, now the scratches on the wall, Grandma. What you get? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna do that. Get all your stuff knocked off, Grandma. That dog treats, Grandma. You're cheating on me. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of little secrets and stuff too. But yeah, you're able to do a bunch of stuff. Like look at it. Oh, I'm sorry. See? Look, see, now he likes me. And I'm just gonna phone. Hey, bro, stop phoning. Bang! I'm Muhammad Ali. Bang! Ooh, body slam. Bang! Where's the basketball at? You know what? But yeah, this game's still in early access. But me personally, I think this game has like a bunch of potential. Cause like there's a bunch of stuff you're able to do in this game. Dang. Oh dang, I got knocked out. Okay, well, that's gonna be about it. So, yeah, just this was a quick game. Basically, the viewer that wanted me to quick speak about it, they just wanted to know what it was like. But yeah, that's about it. So far, like I said, for like the thousandth time, it's early. But yeah, see ya.